The purpose of this lesson is to teach you to identify and capitalize proper nouns. So let's start with what a noun is. A noun is one of the parts of speech that you may have learned about before. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. So when we talk about nouns, there are two categories of nouns: common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are just kind of generic people, places, things, or ideas. So things like author, city, planet, language, marker, pencil, phone, couch. You could look around whatever space you're in right now, and I guarantee you could name probably 20 nouns, 20 things that are in that space right now, okay? Proper nouns, on the other hand, are specific people, places, things, or ideas. So instead of just saying marker, I could say expo marker, which is an example of a proper noun. Instead of just saying city, I could say Paris. Instead of saying planet, I could say a specific planet, Neptune. Okay. Instead of just saying phone, I could say that I have a Google Pixel. Okay. Now, the thing about proper nouns is proper nouns are always capitalized. So you can see how everything in this column right now begins with a capital letter. Proper nouns are capitalized. Now, some specific words that are proper nouns are going to be names of people, names of places, names of our pets are proper nouns, months of the year are proper nouns, days of the week are proper nouns, okay? And also names of holidays are proper nouns. Now there's a couple other things on this picture right now that are awesome things to capitalize, but not exactly proper nouns. So you always want to capitalize the beginning of your sentences, and we always want to capitalize the pronoun I, okay? So these are some ideas of things that you will always capitalize within your writing. Let's take a look at some examples. So this first sentence, he grew up in Harlem, New York, is incorrect. And the reason this is incorrect is the proper nouns aren't capitalized. So it would be correct to capitalize the H in Harlem and the N and the Y in New York, because those are specific places. Another example, the Sears Tower in Chicago has a new name. In this sentence, no proper nouns are capitalized, so this is incorrect. We need to make some corrections to this sentence by capitalizing the S in Sears, the T in Tower, and the C in Chicago, because again, those are specific places. So you might be thinking right now, well, why does this matter? Why is my teacher having me do a lesson on this when we're writing something like a literary essay? Well, in a literary essay, it's important that you as a writer are using the name of your book or short story. It's important that you're using the author of your book, and you also are going to use character names throughout your essay. All three of these things are proper nouns, and these are all things that I'll be looking for you to have capital letters on in your writing. I'd like to show you an example paragraph. This is just one paragraph from a student's literary essay. Notice just how many proper nouns are in this paragraph. You can see the names of characters, the name of the book, the name of the author. There are many proper nouns in this passage. Some I'm even seeing right now that I forgot and I didn't even highlight, that we need to make sure that we're capitalizing. Hopefully in this lesson, you understood the difference between proper nouns and common nouns, and you understand that it's important that in your writing you capitalize proper nouns.